Thanks for stopping by my channel again. So I just wanted to come by really quickly and tell you guys about an entire line while my baby sleep and while I have time. This whole line is just, I'll get there. So the first product that I started with was I didn't even say the line. So sorry. So the brand is African Pride. And for a lot of people, you may not have heard of them recently, but apparently they have been doing a few other things before this line. However, I hadn't heard of them since when I was younger, when I used to use, you know, the African Pride hair grease, like with all the pieces in it. You just used to get your scalp grease. That's the line that I remember. I hadn't heard about anything else, but this line is legit. I received this line in my curl box, and I'm so glad I did. So now we can start with the first product. So this is the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. So first of all, amazing. I don't know if anybody has used the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. That has incredible slip, and it's meant as like a pre-poo detangler, so that you can go ahead and like put it on your hair while your hair is dry before you even get it wet, and kind of get all your knots out, and then go ahead and shampoo. This is the same concept, and I feel like this, like if you're looking for a dupe, a cheaper dupe, because I think the Diva Curl is like close to $30, this is what you should go for. This product has such incredible slip, and it smells really good. All the products smell amazing. Now after a while, I will say that like a few of them, the smell kind of does get a little overwhelming, but they all smell pretty good. But as far as this goes as a product, it was amazing. The slip was so good. I detangled so fast. My hair still felt soft under, like it didn't, like when I rinsed it out, it didn't take away any of the moisture. Like the moisture that was in here stayed. Now for the pre-poo, for the Diva Curl, I don't think I could say the same. It just was like just something I put on my hair to detangle it, and then once you rinse it off, it's gone. This lasts for a while. Like the moisture that I still felt while I was combing it out stayed even after I washed it. Like it was amazing. So this product, even just to start off, just as a pre-poo, was amazing. And next, so for the curl box, we didn't get a shampoo with it, so we only got the pre-shampoo. So I used a different shampoo. Shampoos are just shampoos to me, really. Like shampoos really don't like make or break any style for me, so I just used a random shampoo. And so next I went to the Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore Conditioner. I was a little hesitant about this just because, honestly, of chocolate. Like it made me just be like, chocolate? Okay. But even this conditioner was really good. Like when I put it on, not only did my curls feel soft, but for some reason, like they look super defined after I washed it out. And I don't keep conditioners on long. That's what deep conditioners are for. So I will put a conditioner on for maybe like 5 minutes, and I'll continue to like kind of detangle, just make sure everything's good throughout the hair. And then I rinse it out, so it's maybe in there for maybe 5 to 7 minutes. But when I rinsed this out, I truly saw a difference. Like I said, it was super soft. So everything made my hair soft. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna say super soft a million times throughout this video, but I mean, it's the truth. But not only did this make my hair soft, it was so defined. Like my curls were truly popping. And I know I keep touching my hair, so I didn't do this style with this line, but I will go ahead and insert some pictures what it looked like after I used these products. But oh, it was so good. I was just like, I didn't even want to use the mask because I had never used this line before. So I was like, is the mask gonna mess it up? Like, is the mask going to take away my defined curls? Because sometimes you can have a product that has a lot of protein in it, or that has something that allows your hair to be defined, and then you could put something else on there, such as a mask or a different conditioner, and it will soften your hair and kind of, sometimes it can make your curls more like mushy. So I was scared to go ahead and use the mask, but with this mask, it was so good. It was just, well, first of all, it says heat activated. So let me read the name. It's Moroccan clay and shea butter detox and soften heat activated mask. And when I first put it on, I was just like, oh, okay, you know, it's very, it's extremely thick. Like it's not moving, it's not budging. And I was trying to like get it down to come out of here. And it's not moving at all. Like, not at all. It's not going anywhere. It's extremely thick and creamy. But at first I was like, you know, like, okay, it's a mask, so it's gonna be creamy. And it didn't really soften it at first. So then I followed the directions and I put on a shower cap, and then I put on the, like the blow dryer attachment, and I sat under that, added heat. And then I took that shower cap off, and immediately I saw a difference, because usually when I take my shower cap off, my twists kind of stay wherever they are. But these twists were like falling out of the cap, like. And so when immediately when I touched it, I was like, oh, we got a winner. It was so soft, like soft to the point where I thought it was going to mess up my curl, because I thought that it was going to be too moisturizing. But as I combed that out and combed it through before and after I washed it out, my curls were still there. They were still popping. I was like, what is happening? What is happening? Like, I don't get these results in a full line. Like, I'm the girl who takes pieces. So I'll take any shampoo, just being honest. I'll take any shampoo, and then I'll take this conditioner, and I'll take this deep conditioner, and I'll take this leave-in conditioner, and I'll take this oil, I'll take this twisting cream, you know, from different brands and from different lines. This whole entire line together, everything was spot on. Oh, I digress. So then we come to the coconut oil and Baobab. I don't even want to try. I'm not even about to mess up nobody's name. Nope. So the coconut oil and BB oil, hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. With this, once again, it is thick. Now it's not as thick as the mask, but it is pretty thick. And this smells really good. It has like a hint of like, I think a lot of products have this, but it has like a hint of like a Play-Doh type smell. I don't know why, maybe it's just me, but it still smells good. And the leave-in cream, it left my hair so soft. Like, as I was putting it through, and even as I was putting it through my whole head and I parted my head to go ahead and start doing my style, this part usually always dries a little bit. Even with it being dry, it still felt soft, which normally doesn't happen, usually because it had dry and I hadn't had time to do the whole lock method. So do my leave-in, and then I do the LCO, the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil. But even with me just having the leave-in, it still was so soft, and it didn't even dry it out completely. Like, you could still feel a little bit of moisture behind it. So I was just like, again, like this, another product with the line. It's about to be that good. Like, it's just that good. So once again, with the curl box, I did not receive a curling product. So I used the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel. And that has been my go-to for this style. Just because I've just been loving it. And I just had a baby, so she's 4 months. And I've started that postpartum shedding. And so I need styles that are going to keep my edges covered up, just because they're gone. Like, gone. Like, I don't even want to show you right now because they are gone. Like, there's nothing there. Like, take this part of my forehead, move it up, that's what my edges look like. Gone. So I need something to kind of cover it up because I'm used to wearing a puff. But this style just, it turned out really nice. I was watching somebody's YouTube channel and I saw that they did this and I was like, man, like, this is really cute. So I've just been doing this most of the time. This has been like my go-to style. But that butter gel has been a very good product to use. It's very moisturizing and it has a hold, but it's not like a crunchy hold. It's like I got you girl hold. It's not like you can't go anywhere at all. It's more like a laid back, like, I got you. And I like that hold. Like, that's the hold that I need, because I don't like that hold. You know what I mean? The last product that I received was the Castor Grapeseed, Argon, Coconut, and Olive Oil Strengthen and Protect 5 Essential Oils with Vitamin E. So, a oil. But this oil, first of all, it smells amazing. This smells so good, to the point where I've put this in my hair in the morning and went to work, and I don't wear perfume because of my baby. And people are like, oh my gosh, like, what is that? What are you wearing? And I'm like, oil. Like, it cracks me up because I'm like, it's just my hair oil, but it smells so good. And I know this is gonna sound crazy because I don't know if anybody describes oil like this. Like, obviously it has a slip, but this seems like it has like an extra slip. So when I do unravel my twists or anything, when I take it down, it doesn't leave it oily. It leaves it like slick. Like, you could easily just be like it just has, I don't know, like an extra something in it to where it's not like sticky, but it still penetrates the hair, but it still allows you to utilize the oil. So some oils penetrate and then it kind of goes away, like that feeling goes away. Or some oils just sit on your hair. So it's like, you know that they're always there. But this penetrates and still utilizes the oil that you put on there, which is crazy. And I don't know how they did it, but they did. This oil really, and it's lightweight. And you can see like how much it's moving. It's not like a thick oil. It's just a really nice lightweight oil, and it truly works. It's just wonderful. And I was just shocked because, like I said before, I've never ever used just a full line and every product works. Like, I'm pretty sure maybe their shampoo won't be like amazing to me because I don't really care for shampoos. And even with leave-in creams, like, usually leave-ins are not, they're just okay to me. Like, they don't always work, I guess, or they're just like, I can do with or without it. But even the leave-in, like, everything was just so great with this line. I am pleasantly surprised with this line. It was amazing. If you have not checked out any of these products, you need to. And I try to say my favorite one from the whole line, my favorite product from the whole line, I don't even have one. I truly don't. Like, they're all just that good. Like, I can't say that one was better than the other. Once again, I didn't try the shampoo or the curling cream, so I can't put those in there. But the entire line, it's just necessary. It's just necessary. Like, you should get it. It's so good. It left my hair so soft. Like, it was just really good. I go get it. Like, it's really, like, I would recommend the entire line, like everything. Just go get it and thank me later. Like, that's how I feel about it. Like, it's that good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and love, and I will check you out in my next video. Bye.